for calling the Britain Branch Office of Jehovah's Witnesses. Please select from the following options. For Service Department, press 1. For Legal Department, press 2.
Good morning, Britain Branch of Jehovah's Witnesses Legal Department.
Good morning, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Right, this is what I need you to do. I know the watch on the 2nd of June 2023, I think it was. I came down to Bethel, right, to tell you who I was. I came all the way from Lincoln. I spent £500. They did listen to my evidence, and they did say they was going to look at my Facebook page. And I know they are looking at it, because when I rang them up once, I just played a little trick on the service department. I says, can you tell me what Jehovah's name is? And he goes, how's your dad? David Hashay. Right. So he knows what my page is. Now, my Facebook page, if you go and have a look now, you know, have you heard of Purim?
I haven't.
The Jewish holiday. Basically, it's when Haman was wanting to destroy the Jews, and Esther, the story of Esther, rescued them. And basically, it's a celebration, happy celebration of their salvation, divinely orchestrated. And what it is, there's a blood moon. I think there's 3 in a row anyway. But the one on the 14th of March is a blood moon across North America. Do you know about it?
Okay.
Well, first of all, the blood moon, the 8th of April 2024, there was a solar eclipse across North America that hit the Canada branch, right?
Okay.
And it's Revelation chapter 6 verse 12. If you read that, your governing body do not know this, because I'm divinely inspired.
Okay.
Right? I am. Go and look at my YouTube channel, Jehovah Hashay, with all the supernatural miracles, right? There's been lights flashing all over America, especially in North America and in Oregon, where Lincoln City is. And I've got my friend Matthew Jenkins and what's his name, Jason Hartley. He has had flashing lights since over 5 years, every 2 weeks, and since he's met me, I've got 80 videos of flashing lights, which is obviously supernatural.
Okay.
Right? So they know who I am at Bethel. I am Jehovah God Almighty, the Alpha and Omega. And if you do not think it's possible for Jehovah to come down to earth to rescue his people from the Watchtower cult, think again. Because what does it say in Luke? Nothing is impossible for God, doesn't it? Right, so you have a warning. Go and look at please go and look at my Facebook page, James Hashay. I've got nothing against you, brother, but what's going to happen when I take over the Watchtower on the 3rd of August 2025, and there will be supernatural events happen at Bethel? It wouldn't surprise me if there's writing on the wall like they did with Babylon, because the Watchtower is Babylon the Great. Now, you know, in Revelation 18 it says, get out of her, my people. Get out of her, my people. Right, you're not listening, are you, brother?
Thank you so much for
It's being recorded, by the way, and being uploaded to YouTube. So how do you like that?
Thank you very much for your call.
You're going down, Watchtower. You are going down. What?
Okay, do you have a question for us?
You can tell you're scared shitless of me, aren't you? All of Bethel know about me. They're getting documents on the 14th of August, right?
Thank you very much.
Listen, on the 14th of March, the document goes out that my son is... Right, that's it. There you go, Jehovah's Witnesses. That's your lovely Bethel brothers for you, who don't listen to Jehovah. They've had the warning. You know, and I know that they know who I am. I am Jehovah God Almighty, the Alpha and Omega. And I will take down Watchtower in August, because they are going down. Look at my Facebook page, James Hashay, HACCHE. Look at the last post about Purim, right? Go and have a look now.